Hey, it's JP. We are at the Bug Springs Trailhead in the Santa Catalina Mountains near Mount Lemmon. We're headed up to Maverick Springs to take a look because today is a great day for a hike.
The Lower Green Mountain Trailhead is on the upside of the mountain near milepost 11. Across from the Chihuahua Pine picnic area, signs point to Green Mountain and Bug Spring. This trail is a nice blend of sun and shade with mostly gradual climbs and descents. There are a few areas where it can be steep, and I recommend you bring hiking poles and very sturdy footwear. This hike is not overly long and is best done outside of summer months.
Hello and welcome to my channel. While I do my physical fitness and share my creativity and do all these things primarily as a creative outlet and of course to get some physical exercise, I do appreciate your feedback. So if you could go ahead and hit the subscribe button or hit the like button, or better yet, hit both so you know what's going on, I'd really appreciate the feedback. Plus it tells the algorithm to let other users know on YouTube that there's this crazy guy making videos where he does things like this. Today we are hiking up the Green Mountain Trail and going to Maverick Springs. Now I've been up the Green Mountain Trail before, went up to Guthrie Mountain, I've been up Green Mountain, but I haven't gone as far as Maverick Springs. Should be a beautiful day, great day for a hike. So it looks like no one is camping in the General Hitchcock campground today. Yeah, it's a little chilly. I'm not surprised about that. So I was just passed by a very experienced hiker who is hiking 40 miles today. He said Maverick Springs might not be well maintained and might not be that great. We're still going to go see what it looks like, and if it isn't that great, well, we'll just do a little bit more of the Green Mountain Trail. As a friendly reminder, always share your plans with someone. I am about 1.6 miles into this hike and I have absolutely no cell service with
AT&T.
Okay, now I remember this part. This is the part I wish I had poles. And of course I didn't bring my poles again because I was not really awake when I left this morning. So, little steps. All right, there we are. Alright, so I'm at the junction of the Green Mountain and Guthrie Mountain Trail, and I've been up here before. Here's a little link to the video from one of my previous experiences up here. This trail, as I said before, fairly hard, not super hard, definitely needs sturdy shoes, and I highly recommend you bring your hiking poles, which of course I forgot to do. Alright, so the hiker I passed earlier was very much correct. Maverick Springs Trail, kind of interesting, but also very steep, and as I mentioned, I don't have any hiking poles with me. My footwear is really good, but I do not feel comfortable trying to get down there and then trying to get back up. So I'm going to turn around and go out the Green Mountain Trail a little bit. Looks like there's a pretty good view from up there, but there's also a pretty good view towards the north from here, towards Oracle and the other mounting area. So the view's always fantastic. Alright, so I'm at the Green Mountain and Guthrie Mountain Trail junction, and I have about 2.3 miles to hike back to the car. So I'd like to thank you for coming along on the hike today. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you could hit that like button and that subscribe button so you know when new content appears on the channel, I'd really appreciate it. Remember, there is a lot of joy to be found in the universe. I hope that you find it and that it fills your soul with the colors of white, gold, purple, and silver. Have a great day. See you next time.